To go back to the payment.php code, you will find that here in the PayPal.button, here we have a variable, here we have an object called amount, and inside that object we have key value pair. The key value pair is the value and the amount. So the amount here by default is 77, and of course this is a problem. Instead of saying 77, we need to specify the correct amount. To do this, here after we make sure that the total is not 0, then we need to create a new variable called, here I'm going to say amount, and that amount is going to be equal to the session total. However, it should be converted to a string, so I'm going to say str val, which is going to convert this into a string, and then I'm going to pass the total. I'm going to pass the session total, and that's it. Now we have here a variable called amount. Now this amount can be used here in this value. Instead of saying value 77, we need to remove it, and then we need to say PHP, and then echo, and then we need to echo the amount, this amount. That's it. What you need to understand is that this amount now is associated with the button, and now PayPal knows about this amount, and whenever the user pays, this amount is going to be paid. Then after this, PayPal is going to approve it if nothing goes wrong, and then it's gonna make the transaction and everything, and we don't have to worry about anything else.